Today, we're excited to introduce the Love's Cabin Pet Puppy Dog Playpen, a versatile and portable solution for your furry friends, whether you're at home or on the go. Crafted from durable 600D Oxford cloth and high-grade washable mesh, this playpen ensures easy cleaning and a safe environment for your pet with its spacious 4-panel design, protected seams, and reinforced corners. The zippered door offers convenient access, while the playpen's foldable design and included carrying case make assembly and storage a breeze, taking just 30 seconds to set up or pack away. Available in multiple sizes, this playpen accommodates pets up to 45 pounds, making it perfect for small animals like puppies, kittens, rabbits, and even ferrets. Love's Cabin has designed this playpen with your pet's comfort in mind, allowing you to place a blanket underneath for added coziness and easy maintenance. With Love's Cabin, you can enjoy peace of mind with their dedicated customer service, offering a 1-month return and replacement policy, along with lifetime support to ensure your satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.